I set out looking for tools that I thought could do this, and like everybody else, I kind of started off looking at WAF technology, and then I started asking more questions and circled around and found RedShield and Virtus, and got on the phone with Virtus and RedShield and said, hey, I need to know what your technology does. And they walked me through how it works. And while WAFs are involved, it was definitely a better service in that the orientation towards shielding gave me confidence that as vulnerabilities were discovered, and they protected me from more than just things that may be wrapped into that list of the well-known OWASP top 10 kind of things, where if we had other things going on, logic flows, etc., logic flow errors, they could help us find those, or if we found them, they could help us mitigate those. And I wanted to test them though, because when I was on the phone with them, it sounded a little, I was like, this is too good to be true. I want to know, can you do that on the fly? Does it really work that way? So I had a bunch of internet-facing web servers that had vulnerabilities on them. I was tracking them with our Risk Recon platform, and I used Risk Recon, and I pulled the list of all the vulnerabilities on the web servers, and I threw it into a spreadsheet and sent it to RedShield, and I said, okay, so tell me, if we test this and you put these behind shielding, does it mitigate the vulnerabilities? So basically I'm saying, hey, I'm not going to patch these. You're telling me the shield will make those vulnerabilities so they can't be exploited, and I want proof. And so we went through a test. I want to say it was maybe 10 or 15 different web servers. And they said, yep, we're in the test mode, and the shielding is working. And so I went over to Risk Recon, because that's I was using for independent verification. And sure enough, all those vulnerabilities were mitigated, and it worked the way that RedShield said it would. And so we, after doing some sizing up and negotiating and learning more about the existing external assets that we had, then we worked into an agreement with RedShield, and it's been a great tool for us security-wise ever since.